Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 13, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column F, three numbers are remaining 169. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, four numbers are remaining 2578. Fifth row, on column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only three numbers are remaining 257. Column E, second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, two numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column J, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Third grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Ninth row and fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Seventh grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 9. 7th grade, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. 6th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 4th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. Third row and fifth row we have 8. So 8 can come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. It will come in with the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row and seventh row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Seventh row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column I we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column I we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Seventh row we have already 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.